Nepal Earthquake. On 25th April 2015, an earthquake struck Nepal. Thajaiswara predicted this earthquake in advance on 11th April 2015. The name of the country and the name of the places were predicted in advance in this prophecy. This prophecy published on social media, especially Facebook, on 11th April 2015 read as follows. This prophecy is being read. Listen. See, this prophecy is published and posted on April 11, 2015. I will read this prophecy. Prophecy number 1. Big disaster is now reaching into some states. Name start with S. The letter S was the first letter of the name. Swayambhu Nada. H was the letter H was the first letter of the word hypercenter. Y, the letter Y was the first letter of the word yelling. Indignation by name, CHIN. C is the first letter, was the first letter of cracking. The letter H was the first letter of the word hill. I, the letter I was the first letter of the word interior. N, the letter N was the first letter of the country's name, Nepal. This prophecy was posted in advance on 11th April 2015. A Nepal earthquake struck Nepal on 25th April 2015. Thajaiswara clearly predicted this earthquake in advance on 25th 11 April 2015. See the date. 11 April 2015. This prophecy published on social media, especially Facebook, on 11th April 2015. Thank you for watching this video. Watch the next video.